Join me as I challenge myself to set and stick to 5 crucial boundaries for my family. Can I do it? Setting boundaries in our family relationships is crucial for maintaining a healthy, loving, and respectful environment. It's essential to create a safe space where everyone feels valued, heard, and understood. When boundaries are not set, families often face challenges that can lead to conflicts, misunderstandings, and emotional stress. Without clear boundaries, family members may overstep each other's limits, leading to feelings of resentment and frustration. For instance, parents may overindulge their children, leading to entitlement and a lack of responsibility. On the other hand, children may not respect their parents' authority, leading to power struggles and rebellion. Families without boundaries may also experience an overwhelming sense of responsibility, where one person feels burdened with taking care of everyone else's needs, leading to burnout and exhaustion. Moreover, the lack of boundaries can lead to emotional codependency, where family members rely too heavily on each other for emotional validation, rather than developing their own emotional maturity. In extreme cases, the absence of boundaries can even lead to emotional abuse, where family members take advantage of each other's vulnerabilities, leading to deep-seated emotional scars. So, what are the 5 essential boundaries that faithful families should set to maintain a harmonious and loving environment? First, set boundaries around communication. Establish respectful and open communication channels that promote active listening and empathy. Second, set boundaries around personal space. Respect each other's need for alone time and private space. Third, set boundaries around responsibility. Clearly define each person's roles and responsibilities to avoid confusion and resentment. Fourth, set boundaries around screen time. Establish limits on the amount of screen time allowed, especially for children, to promote healthy habits and relationships. Fifth, set boundaries around financial decisions. Have open and honest discussions about financial priorities and make joint decisions to avoid conflict and promote unity. I remember a powerful story about a family that struggled with setting boundaries around screen time. The parents were constantly arguing with their children about the amount of time they spent on their devices, leading to conflict and frustration. However, when they set clear boundaries and established screen-free zones and times, the family experienced a profound shift in their relationships. They began to have more meaningful conversations, engage in activities together, and even noticed an improvement in their mental health. This story illustrates the positive impact that setting boundaries can have on family relationships. When we establish clear limits and communicate them effectively, we create a safe and respectful environment where everyone can thrive.